Now that you understand the power of niching down, the next step is figuring out which niche is right for you. Choosing the right industry can feel overwhelming at first. There are so many directions you could go, but the goal isn't to find the perfect niche. The goal is to find one that's aligned with your strengths, values, and goals, and that actually has demand. Let's break it down. Start with what you know. The fastest way to stand out is to work in an industry you already understand. Maybe you worked in real estate before becoming a designer. Have friends who are fitness coaches or therapists. Know a ton about e-commerce from past side hustles. Love working with creatives, musicians, or authors. Start with your own network, background, or interests. You'll have natural insight into what these clients need and how to speak their language. Look for industries that are underserved. Some niches are packed with high-quality designers already, others not so much. If you notice a lot of businesses in a certain space using outdated, poorly designed sites, that's a sign of opportunity. Think about industries like local trades, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, solo service providers, coaches, consultants, therapists, event-based businesses, wedding planners, DJs, photographers, health and wellness, chiropractors, yoga instructors, nutritionists, niche e-commerce brands. These groups often know they need better websites but don't know where to start, and that's where you come in. Check the money. A niche can be fun and interesting, but if there's no money in it, it's going to be hard to grow your business. Look for industries where business owners are actively investing in their marketing. The average customer value is high. They make good money per client. Online presence is a priority. A general rule of thumb: if your client makes money through their website, or if their website drives their sales pipeline, they're more likely to invest in great design. Find your sweet spot. The best niche sits at the intersection of what you're good at, what you enjoy, where there's money, and where there's unmet demand. If you can check at least 3 of those 4 boxes, you're in a strong position. And remember, your niche can evolve. You're not stuck forever. Think of this as a starting point. You're choosing a direction, not signing a lifetime contract. You can refine your niche as you work with more clients, gather feedback, and understand where you provide the most value. The important thing is to pick something and start. Clarity comes through action, not overthinking. So take a moment after this video and write down 3 industries you're drawn to, one you'd be willing to test over the next 30 to 60 days, a short statement describing who you help and how. In the next lesson, we'll go a step further and talk about validating your niche with market research, so you know there's actual demand before you dive in. Let's keep moving forward with clarity and confidence.